Alright, let's get busy on this guy and see what we're going to do on it. I'm going to rework this leg a little bit because it's gotten too thick. Also, I got my heater on because it's cold outside. The wind is going and blowing in here, and it's getting cold easy, so I'm going to leave my heater on. And I'm sorry about that because it's going to be noisy. I'm going to have to take this off. Put it right there. All right. Let's turn my other light on so you can see at least what I'm doing a little bit. All right, I got my mouth right next to the camera. I've got it mounted on my turntable here. You can get carried away with the clay and its structure if you're not careful. And I was getting carried away with it. I'm sorry, my hand is in the way mostly. Well, it's taken me about a half hour to figure out a better way of mounting my camera where my hand isn't going to be in the way as much. That's not saying it won't be in the way, but not as much. I'm making smaller wrinkles in the clay than I had, and I think that'll work out better. I'm just gonna try to blend in these wrinkles just a little bit. Yeah, I was right. It's 40 degrees outside, but there's a 30-mile-an-hour wind from the south, and so it makes the wind chill about 28 degrees. Like I said, I'm glad I'm not outside working. I got so much respect for people who are in construction or work on power lines or have to go outside and work and stuff like this. Road crews. Of course, we don't have a lot of road crews this time of year because of being winter and all that. Let's see, I'm just detailing the bottom part of his legging where it meets the moccasin. I just know that this has got to be the most boring part of my sculpting of this figure, is this detail work that just drives me nuts. But it's got to be done, and there's no shortcut in sculpting. You just got to take it one little area at a time. I'm using a fondue stick that I've got here to make the fringe. At the bottom of the legging. All right, that's going to be it for today. It took a little while to get these leggings to where I like them, and I think it's going to be fine. Tomorrow I'll start working on the shirt and get that going. I'm going to have to work on these hands eventually, and like I said, I'm thinking of doing the furs over his shoulder, and I've got to figure out how I'm going to do that. So anyway, see you guys next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.